Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell SPX6900 coin. So guys, there are a couple of ways you can go about selling this token. You're selling via a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, or if you're selling via the centralized exchange like Bybit, Binance, BitGet. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you both processes of selling. The first step would be going with is the decentralized exchange. So make sure you have a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any wallet that has an Ethereum network in it and a browser. So if you open up MetaMask, make sure you're on the Ethereum network. So the toggle for network switching is at the top left. Click on this toggle and select Ethereum mainnet. Once you've selected Ethereum mainnet, make sure you have Ethereum for this transaction. If you do not have Ethereum, make sure you buy yourself some Ethereum or deposit it via your wallet address. So once you've gotten Ethereum, head to the browser section at the bottom right. Where it says search by site or address, simply search for app.uniswap.org. Once here, click on the connect icon you find on your screen and simply connect your wallet to the Uniswap platform. Once you've connected successfully, you'd tap on it and you'd find the list of assets you hold plus your wallet address. All right, now your next step would be where we have sell Ethereum, switch their places so you're selling a certain token and receiving Ethereum. So now in place of an empty token, search for SPX. And SPX exists on multiple networks. So we're going with the mainnet SPX, which we can just simply click on. And now all you need to do is simply enter an amount of the SPX you'd like to convert into Ethereum. And now simply click on get started and simply swap your SPX token into Ethereum. All right, that's the first step. Now the next step would be to minimize, open up your Bybit centralized exchange. Make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, use our link in the description. Now head to your assets menu at your bottom right, where we have funding and unified trading. You'd find the list of tokens and you should find SPX on here. So once you found SPX on either your funding account or your unified trading, click on the convert menu where it says dogs to Ethereum. In place of the dogs token, simply search for SPX. Click on the SPX6900 and now you can now select any token you wish to convert it into, like the Dogecoin. So for 10,000 worth of this, you'll be shown the amount you're receiving. And all you need to do is click on quotes and it's done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.